Thanks, brother. What's that? Yeah, a little vlogging, man. So guys, pulled up the Blue Parrot. This is how it goes down at Lake Norman. Cruise up with your boat and just go get something to eat, man. Grab a drink. We're gonna go check it out. What's up, guys? We're back in the Queen City. We came downtown. Charlotte does this thing every year called the Taste of Charlotte, where all the big restaurants, all the big food trucks come out to downtown and you can taste all their food. It's pretty cool. So we came down to check that out. We'll see what we get into, guys. Let's check it out. Puppies that were amazing. Girls, they're the best hush puppies I've ever had. What's his name? Let's see the album, man. Let's see it. Yeah, all right. I like that t-shirt too. Yeah, there it is. All right.
I'm gonna get on top of the cylinder. Are you guys ready for the grand finale? Say yeah. Well, with the countdown, how about a 3, 2, 1 jump? You ready? On the whistle. 3, 2, 1, jump. Okay. Run for your life, jump. Everybody give Justin a big clap.
3, 2, 1.
That's an obvious applause point right there. Alright, now again, this is not the hardest part of this show. The hardest part is getting off.
Yeah!
Thank you all so much. This is my hat. That was my hat.
Your full name, Anthony what?
Hermie the Clown.
Hermie the Clown, check him out. I'll be at a city near you next.
Hey, I'll be a star.
I'm in LA, man, so we'll see you out west, brother. Forgot how humid it was back home. Look at all this sweat.
Best seafood in town. Once you eat it, you'll forever smile.
What's the company?
The company is Nora. We're giving out free shrimp scampi couscous. Check us out.
Good stuff, man. All right, check him out.
Jesus saves.
Hey, there it is, man. There it is. Excuse me, guys. We have 3 extra tokens. You guys want them? Thank you. Have a good one, brother. Take it easy, guys.